What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we're going to be giving some sauce. We're going to be telling you guys what to do when you want to find a private supplier, because maybe your ecom store is growing, or maybe it's not and you just want to have it straight off the bat, which might be difficult because some private suppliers might not accept you because you're not getting any sales. So I would suggest this following strategy that I used, and I'll tell you my personal experience, what I did, how I got from a shitty supplier to probably one of the best that I can ever get right now. And because it's funny, I mentioned before, I feel like now I can give you value. Now I can tell people lessons and what to do because through my experiences, because now I'm showing some results. And when you show some results, people listen. I've had the same. Obviously, I didn't know how to get a private supplier back then because I never got one. Now I did. I can tell you. But it's like I've always had the same mentality. I've always was trying to give, good value on mentality, and people never listen. But now because I have some money attached to my name, people listen. It's a sad truth, sad reality. But now I'm glad you're here and you're glad you're listening. Now we're going to be talking about my process of how I got one of the best suppliers. So a while ago, I joined a mentorship, and it's not the mentorship that I'm in now. It's from a mentorship. His name is Barson. He's a G. He does organic TikTok. This was back then when I was trying to do organic TikTok. And long story short, I fucking hated it. I stopped, went to paid ads. But with his mentorship program, he offered us 2 different suppliers. Only when you start getting sales. You're not going to work with these people if you're not getting sales. So once you start getting sales, you get these, he'll give you access to these suppliers. And you have one supplier that he gives that's a bit lower. Like if you're getting a few sales a day, I would say under 10 sales a day, you can start hitting up this guy. You'll start getting his website connected to your store, and boom, bang, bing, start using this private supplier. Then once you start getting bigger, he has even a better supplier. He said around 10 orders a day plus. So what happened was I actually then decided to get another mentorship for paid ads because I decided to do paid ads. And I started seeing results, as you clearly see on the YouTube channel, the day-to-day results. And I went from using AutoDS, which, by the way, is the shittiest fucking website to use. Please, in my opinion. A lot of people say that AutoDS is the best, fulfillment website, blah, blah, blah. It's because they all have fucking some promoting contract. Don't believe that. From my personal experience, it is definitely not the best. So I went from AutoDS to the lower end supplier, and now I just transitioned today to the higher end supplier because I've been getting very good sales. So my advice is from someone who's just starting. I would say, because you're testing and you're not really looking into, huge profits right away, I would say you could do ZenDrop. ZenDrop is very easy. Their interface is very simple, user-friendly, easy, especially for beginners. That is the most important. Yes, your profits might take a little beating because their prices are a bit higher than others, but trust me when I say it will save you so much headaches. Their customer service is so good. They'll answer you quick. It's very easy. And at the end of the day, if you find a winner, you're going to get sales, right? So once you start getting sales and you find a winner, then you can start getting into these private suppliers. That'll cut costs and increase your profit margin. But for just testing, who gives a fuck? Use ZenDrop. If not, I would say potentially you can use AutoDS. You can use de-essers. I haven't used de-essers personally, but they seemed pretty easy, pretty simple. basically there's so many other options just to connect on AliExpress. It's pretty simple. But once you get a winner and once you're getting sales, how do you find these private suppliers? Now look, I don't have a fucking mentorship. I don't have a course that I'm selling. I'm unable to give you these suppliers. It's illegal. Is that what it is? It's not illegal, but it's like it's not from me. I'm not able to give them to you. Sadly. I'm sorry guys. I'm not. But basically what I would do is you would kind of have to do what I did and you would have to sign up for mentorships. They may be costly, but 1, you get value. 2, you get community. 3, you get help from someone who's doing better than you. And 4, usually they come with a supplier that they're allowed to give. So instead of going online and searching a private supplier, blah, 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 I don't know. I've never done that. So maybe you might find one on your own. But the way I did it and the way I think is best is just, communicating, engaging, and creating a good connection with people. And that would be joining mentorships, programs. And I guess before you sign up, depending on if it's really expensive or not, usually a good mentorship is pretty expensive. So take that into consideration. If you're getting a mentorship that's like fucking $20, trust me, it's not oh my God, $20. Like, trust me, you might be getting the shittiest thing ever. Yeah, there might be some out there that, is not looking for the money, but at the end of the day, value costs money. That's the way life works. So get a decently costly mentorship and check before you pay if they provide a supplier. And boom, right there, done. And you have a supplier for as long as you fucking want. And the thing is, once you connect more, once you get more sales and grow and bigger, you get exposed to better and better suppliers. Like just within the month, I went from the generic website fulfillment method to a private supplier to a better supplier. Like, I'm growing and I'm meeting different people, talking to different people. Oh yeah, I have this supplier that's better, this and that. Their sourcing prices are better. And it's just, it's a progress. So again, to summarize everything up, don't get ahead of yourself. Don't think you need a fucking private supplier before you even have your website up. Chill the fuck out. You're worrying about the wrong thing. Make sure you have your product, your ads up and running and getting sales first. You can fulfill your orders through your first few orders through AliExpress. Who gives a shit? Because people might say, "Oh no, but the shipping time is so long, people won't buy." No, trust me, I did it for I did it for my first probably 100 orders where people saw the shipping time that was, long ass shipping times, and they still bought because it's a winning product. People want the product. If people really want the product, they don't give a fuck that they'll wait an extra week or two than usual. So trust me, ignore what those people say. Oh yeah, you gotta get the bro. That's when you're optimizing. Right now, you gotta focus on the main important things, and that is your product, your offer, and your creatives. That's it. That's all. Your website's not even the most important thing. Trust me. Trust me. From my experience, I know. I went back then. I don't know if I've ever told you guys what I was selling. That got me my first sale ever. It was this electric lint remover on Facebook, and it got me like $200 rev. Bro, if you go back on my YouTube channel, you'll see that I've made countless of videos talking about how I fucking spent weeks building a website, coding, making it so perfect. Look where it got me. It got me 200 sales. Now, I made a website through AI. Took me an hour max. And look at the results I'm getting now. A website is super not important. Fuck that. Just get something that works, that looks decently nice. Like I said, AI can do it all for you. The most important is your product, your creatives, and your offer. Those are the three most important things. Once you start gaining traction, then you start optimizing. Then you start looking for better offers, better creators, better suppliers, lower your cost of goods, email marketing, SMS marketing. That's where you start optimizing. Right now, focus on the main 3 important things that I just told you right now. That is the sauce. Stop wasting your energy on other shit. We all have a limited amount of time in our day. If you want speed, because the speed is the game. Tate says it all the time. Speed is the game. Got to do it quick. Focus on those 3 things. Those 3 things only. And I promise you, success will come faster than usual. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for listening. Finally people are starting to listen to me. Almost wanted my coffee. Anyways, follow, like, subscribe if you found this video valuable. I appreciate you guys all. I love you. And I'll see you at the top.